Hey Eli, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you can generate more customers for your business here in this new year. So I did find your website linked to your Facebook page, so I just hopped on here and figured I'd give you a few pointers for your website that could really help with your guys' not only rankings but also your conversions once people are getting to your guys' website. So first off, Wix is a great website builder platform. You can build some really nice websites on it that look really professional and can do a great job for your business. First thing with your guys' website, you definitely want to have your phone number somewhere up here in this top part. And you want to also make sure that phone number is a click to call. And that click to call is super important because people are doing mobile search so often these days. You want to have that click to call feature in there so they can automatically connect with your business from their mobile devices. Another thing I would definitely recommend for this upper part of your home page is your contact form. So you want that call to action, you want that contact form in there that allows people to put that information in and get a hold of your business. This is really going to help with your conversions. People 99% of the time aren't even going to be scrolling down and looking at the content you have on your website. They're looking for whoever can get out there and get them the bid the fastest and give them the best price. So putting that contact form somewhere up here in this top part of your website instead of on an inner page will definitely help you guys out with your conversions and get more people who are wanting you guys to give them bids. The last thing for your guys' website, this is one of over 200 different factors Google looks at for determining who gets to that top spot for Google rankings, but content is huge for your website. And with that content or wording, you really want to make sure that you include the search terms you actually want to be found for. And with that content, again, you also want to make sure you have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. And really just, again, make sure you have those search terms you actually want to be found for in that content. So you're really telling Google that, hey, this is what my business is all about. This is what I want people to find me for. And that'll help you guys get into that top spot for the search results. But content is definitely one of the biggest factors when it comes to ranking and establishing you guys are a reputable company and know what you're talking about when it comes to, in this case, tile and bathroom remodels. So looking at keywords, I found some super great keywords for you guys today. This is a website I use called Ahrefs, and it allows me to look at different search volumes for keywords. And it has a couple different other features we'll look at here in just a few. But bathroom remodel Albuquerque, New Mexico is currently getting 150 searches per month. And bathroom remodel Albuquerque without the New Mexico, this is getting 100 searches per month. Being in the top spot for one of these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. So for this one, you're looking at 50 people a month headed towards your guys' website looking for your services. And obviously a little less than that with that 100. But definitely a lot of potential customers you guys are missing out on by not being in the top spot for these two search terms. So what does it take to get you into the top spot for these? So we're going to look at bathroom remodel Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we're going to look at what the search volume or what the Google layout looks like, what the competition is for this search term, and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at the first thing here is the GMB or map pack. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this GMB, and the first one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great citation sources you could find would be like Yelp, Yellow Book, all these free directory sites where you can list that information. That information has to be exact. So for example, Rebath. So if they were going out there getting citation sources and they didn't do the dash in the middle, that would not count as a citation source. It has to be exactly how you have it listed in Google in order for that citation source to count. So looking at citations for what you guys have and what your competition has, currently you guys are showing 17 different citation sources. Rebath is at 23 and Bath Planner New Mexico is at 19. So they are beating you out in citation sources. What's cool about this website that I use, this is called WhiteSpark, is we can actually go in here and see the exact citation sources they have, and we could submit to those same websites. So Facebook is another great citation source if you list that business name, address, and phone number on there. So it's not just enough just to match the same number of citations your competitors have. We really want to just blow them out of the water in every way possible. So my recommendation would be to add on 50 or 100 compared to what they have for those citation sources in order to really get you guys bumped up into that 3-pack for bathroom remodel Albuquerque. So another big factor as to if your business is going to be in this 3-pack is your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically is a huge influence in this. So when we're looking at the organic search results, I don't really include Home Advisor or Yelp in this, just because Google really prefers to rank, the smaller business owner over these large national directory websites, just because these guys are direct competitors with Google Ads. So Google really does prefer to rank a business over these guys as long as your website is built to Google standards. So making sure that you have that strong authoritative content on there that has your keywords, 99% of the time you're going to be moving up above these guys. So looking at Rebath Albuquerque, head over to their website. They don't have that much content on here, so you guys could definitely beat them out for content. It's a decent looking site, but nothing that really scares me at all when it comes to you guys being able to pass them up. Definitely very doable to pass these guys up. So looking at the back end of their website, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. So the whole internet is built on backlinks, and backlinks is linking one business to another business, one website to another website. Excuse me. One website to another website. And so what you want to find for these backlinks is relevant to the service you guys are trying to offer. So if you guys were to get a link to your website to, say a business here in Oregon that offers bathroom remodeling services, that's going to be a lot more relevant and carry a lot more weight than if you guys were to get a link to your local Pizza Hut because you guys aren't selling pizzas. So you really want to target those relevant backlinks, and that's what's going to help you guys move up in the search results much faster. So if you have any questions on any of this, I'd love to talk to you more. We could set up a quick 10-minute phone call. I can get you to know a little bit more about your business, so we can go from there. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.